Hello friends, this is Kaustuv Pathare. Welcome to our channel Making Maths Easy. Today this is a new video. In this video I will explain the three properties of logarithm. What In the earlier video I have explained what is a logarithm, what are the logarithmic properties. Today in this videos I will explain you the laws of logarithm, the three laws of logarithms. First law is the law of product. First law is a law of product. I will explain you what is a law of product. Law of product. Okay, in order to prove this law of product, we have to write one thing, that in this proof log of m of n base to a equal to log of m base to a plus log of n base to a. I will show you how. First of all, I will log of m of n base to a mn is equal to log of m base to a plus log of n base to a. Okay, I will write the base here. So this is a law of product which we have to prove. So first of all, log of any two multiplicative, this is a law of product. Log of any two multiplicative numbers and the log of it is always equal to the addition of a single logarithmic number plus addition of means the addition of first logarithmic number or addition of first logarithmic variable plus the addition of second logarithmic variable. So in order to prove this, let us consider m. Let m equal to a raised to x, a to the power of x, and another variable and n equal to a raised to y. Consider this first of all. Now m is equal to a raised to x and n is equal to a raised to y. So hence the product of this m into n will be equal to a raised to x multiply by a raised to y. Okay, where in both the cases a is common. Okay, so we consider a one time by law of indices. You have studied earlier the law of indices, how it works. Law of indices is if a raised to x or a square multiply by b square a square multiply by a square multiply by a square gives you a raised to 4. Okay, means we have plus 2 and 2 and it becomes 4. So in this case m into n will be equal to a raised to x multiplied by a raised to y, which gives you a raised to combine whole expression as a raised to x plus y. So we have got here a raised to x plus y. Okay, now taking log on both the sides. As we know, we have to take the log on RHS as well as LHS side. So we will take the log on both the sides. After taking log on both the sides, and we will get one function, that log of mn equal to log of a raised to x plus y. Okay, so according to the law of properties of logarithm, we know that if any function has a log x plus y, in his power, or any function has a log in his power, so it comes in the front according to law of logarithm. So log of m into n will be equal to x plus y, taking this in the bracket, x plus y into the a log of a. Okay, so we have proved this. Now we will take log of a in the denominator. So in the next step, log of mn divided by log of a equal to x plus y. Okay, so another law of indices, or sorry, another law of logarithm gives you log of mn divided by log of a gives you log of mn to the base of a. So we will write this as log of mn base to the a. Okay, which gives you equal to x plus y. Okay, so this till here we have proved. Okay, now consider one thing by definition of logarithm. Hence we can see that we have completed the half one, as we know that x equal to this, as we know that m is equal to a raised to x and n is equal to a raised to y. I will write it again, m equal to a raised to x and n equal to a raised to y. So what will be the value of x and y on taking log on both the sides? The value of x and y on taking log on both the sides will be equal to x will be equal to x will be equal to log of m base to a by the definition of logarithm, log of m base to a. Okay, and the value of y, again the value of y will be equal to log of n base to a, log of n base to a. Okay, so we put these two values, x is equal to log of m base to a and y is equal to log of n base to a in this equation. This I will mark it as equation 1, first equation. So we will get log of mn base to a, log of mn base to a is equal to log of m base to a plus log of n base to a. Okay, so first property we have proved, but you think there is a doubt in your mind that how this answer we get, where x is equal to log of m base to a. See, one thing, in this case taking log on both the sides we will get log of m is equal to log of a raised to x. Okay, after getting it we know that any number has a power. If we take log on both the sides of that particular number, that number will come in forward, so it will become log of m. Okay, on taking log on both the sides it will become log of m log of m equal to x multiplied by log of a. Similarly, this log of a will go here in the denominator, and after going to the denominator we can write this as log m upon log a, or can be also written as log of am base to the a, which gives you x. Similarly for y you can do it, which gives you log of n base to a. Similarly we have to do for y. It's the same. We will get log of log of n is equal to y log a, and log a will go in the denominator, and y will be equal to log of m upon log of a. So the second law is the law of quotient. If m, n and a are the three positive variables such that a is not equal to 1, then log of m of divided by n base to the a is equal to log of m base to the a minus log of n base to the a. Now we have to prove this. So first of all, let us consider let uh, let us consider as m equal to a raised to x, and n equal to a raised to y. Okay, we have only assumed these values. So by that, hence we divide m and n. Okay, m and n. After dividing m and n, so m divided by n equal to a raised to x divided by a raised to y. Okay, from these two, m is equal to a raised to x, n is equal to a raised to y. So m divided by m is equal to a raised to x divided by a raised to y. So which is equal to a raised to x minus y by the law of indices. So this is in the denominator, y is in the denominator, so it will go in the numerator and it will become minus, so it becomes a raised to x minus y. Now the next step is we have to find that we have to take the log on both the sides. So after taking log on both the sides, we get log of m divided by n equal to log of a raised to x minus y. Okay, so by the definition of logarithm, log of m divided by n equal to x minus y into the log of a. Okay, so whatever in the power will come in the first. That's as x minus y is the power, is inside in the power, so it will come first. So log of m divided by n is equal to x minus y log of a. So this log of a will go here in the denominator. In the next step, see, log of m divided by n divided by log of a equal to x minus y, sorry, x minus y. Okay, so now we will do the further step, which will give you log of uh, m divided by n to the base of a, means log of m divided by n divided by log of a gives you log of m divided by m to the base of a, as I shown in the logarithmic properties, or by the logarithmic property. Log of any number divided by log of any number gives you log of a number to base to that particular number, which equal to x minus y. Okay, so now we have to do one thing, uh, put the values of x and y as I shown you in the law of product. So x is equal to, here x is m is equal to a raised to x, so x will be equal to log of m base to a, log of m base to a, and similarly y will be equal to log of n base to a, log of n base to a. So we substitute these values in this equation. We will get log of if we substitute these values in the equation, so we will get log of uh, m divided by n equal to log of m base to the a, m base to the a minus log of n base to the a, log of n base to a. So okay, so this we have proved the law of quotient. Now the next law is the law of exponential. In this case, log of m raised to n base to the a is equal to n log of m base to the a. So we have to prove this. For this, let us consider, let us assume that log of m base to the a is equal to x, log of m base to a is equal to x, okay, equal to x. So the value of x is equal to so the value of x is equal to log of m base to the a. So value of m is equal to a raised to x by definition of logarithm. Now come here down. So m raised to n m raised to n equal to a raised to xn. Okay, we can write xn. So we have taken the power of n on both the sides, right hand side as well as left hand side. Okay, so by the definition of logarithm, after taking log on both sides, we get, or we can say m raised to n is equal to log of m raised to n, or the definition of logarithm, log of m raised to n is equal to log of amn. So the log of m raised to n equal to log of a raised to xn. Okay, so the xn will come in the first, and n here also will come in the first by definition of logarithm. So we will get n log of m equal to xn log of a. So log of a will go down in this case. So we will get if log of a will go down, we will get log n log of m base to a, log of n base to a. As I told you in the earlier, in the law of quotient, this is the property of logarithm, is equal to xn. Okay, so this n is coming in the first. So according to the property of logarithm, uh, it becomes log of m base to a into m raised to n, means the log of m raised to n to the base of a is equal to xn. As I proved all three properties of logarithms. So first is a law of product, second is a law of quotient, and third is a law of exponential. Law of product means uh, the in the case of multiplication or any kind of product, it becomes addition. Law of quotient means in the case of division, hmm, or the logarithmic division of two variables, it becomes the subtraction. And in the case of exponential, the power values are will come front. Anything in the power or anything in the power of the log function will come in the front. Okay, so if you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, Making Maths Easy.